want to show you. It's really interesting. And that's my school. Okay. Probably have like no idea who we are. Because we're cool like that. That was good. Yeah, we'll just do like random pranky things.
Like, yeah, like if she's sleeping or something.
And if she's sleeping or something,
I'll do a prank on her.
yeah, and I'll do a prank on her.
It's cold up here. I'm just saying.
I'm just saying. Yeah, so we're not really expecting a lot of views, but
Yeah.
okay.
Bye!
I would offer you a chocolate.
But you can't give.
Cyber chocolate. That was like just chocolate wrappers. There wasn't actually no chocolate. That's a fat face. Have you ever noticed that? Okay. I'm done.
Yeah, and before you like comment to say, "Oh my God, this video is so stupid," it's called we're tired and we're bored and we have nothing to do, so we're at her roof and yeah.
She's a tough little hoe.
Bitch, please.
Bitch, please. Oh.
Oh.
That's Bean. No,
Mr.
I don't.
Bean.